Hi, I'm Anton with 27 North, and today we'll talk about what to do when your awning is not retracting. So the only thing you can actually do is go to your PDC and check to make sure that your fuse is not blown. So you'll open the PDC and you will locate your fuse that's labeled awning, and then you will pull out the fuse to make sure that it's intact. And if it's good, put it back in. If it's not good, replace it and your awning should work. If your fuse is blown, please replace your fuse and your awning should start working again. But if your fuse is fine, then call our warranty department or seek professional advice. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and we'll be sure to record a video on that topic. I'm Anton with 27 North. Bye.